Choosing the wrong VPN can leave you completely exposed online. It's easy to assume all VPNs are basically the same, but the truth is, some are built to protect you, while others keep secret logs and sell your data. Today, we're looking into Surfshark VPN and Total VPN to find out which one is better at keeping your information safe, for streaming without geo restrictions, and which one gets you the more value for your money. In this VPN comparison, I'll cover what both services do well, where they fall short, and anything else you should know. If you're looking for the best VPN for privacy, streaming, speed, or just peace of mind on a budget, stay with me because by the end of this, you'll have a clearer picture of which VPN is right for you. Oh, and if you want to try one of the two, then make sure to check out the links in the description below. You'll get a Surfshark discount of 60% off and 3 months free, or a Total VPN deal offering 80% off your purchase plan. And if you're feeling lazy, you could also scan the QR on the right side of the screen now to get these limited time deals. Okay, let's start with security, because that's the foundation of any secure VPN. So Surfshark VPN comes loaded with protection military grade AES 256 GCM encryption, a reliable kill switch, DNS leak protection, and a multi-hop feature that routes your traffic throughout 2 different servers. It blocks ads and trackers, supports split tunneling, and has a strict no-log policy that's been independently audited. Recently, Surfshark even added a real-time antivirus and a tool called Alternative ID, which provides additional security features. Total VPN, on the other hand, sticks to the basics. You get an AES 256 encryption, OpenVPN, and IKEv2 protocol support, kill switch, and no logs promises. These are solid foundations, but they aren't as good as what Surfshark VPN is offering. There are no advanced tools or independent audits to back it up, which might matter if you're serious about online privacy. Now let's talk server coverage and speed, because this is where the performance gap starts to show. Surfshark has over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which gives you more reliable connection, more access to geo-restricted content, and a better global performance. It also supports unlimited devices at the same time, which is great if you're running across your whole household. Total VPN keeps things simpler with around 50 servers and 30 countries. It's not built for global reach in the same way, but if you mostly stick to one region, it does the job. And while Surfshark comes out ahead in speed, Total VPN still holds up well for standard browsing, streaming, and casual use. Now, when it comes to ease of use, both are pretty straightforward. Surfshark offers apps just for about every platform you could think of, including Linux, routers, smart TVs, and browser extensions. Its interface is polished and beginner-friendly, but still gives you access to more advanced features. But with this being said, Total VPN takes it a simpler approach, which makes it easier to use than Surfshark. This app is clean, easy to navigate, and works well on Windows, Android, and iOS. It skips Linux and routers, which could be limited for some, but for the new users who just want to connect and go, this simplicity is actually a huge plus. Now let's talk about money. If you want to get Surfshark with extra features, it's going to cost you $2.49 a month. And it's even cheaper with the discount that I've told you about, which gives you 60% off and 3 extra months of free service. Total VPN keeps up with Surfshark here, since it only costs around $29 a year. Pair that with their 80% off deal, and you've got a super affordable VPN. But the trade-off comes later. After 1 year, the price jumps to $99 a year. So, Total VPN starts out affordable, but its price becomes less competitive over time. Now let's talk about where each VPN shines, as well as some things that they could improve on. Surfshark is built for people who want the full package. Great speed, reliable streaming, powerful security tools, and support for unlimited devices make it an all-around strong choice. It's easy to use, but also powerful enough for advanced users. The only thing to keep in mind is that the cheaper option are only available for their 1-year or 2-year plans. You definitely need to invest in the long term if you plan to use Surfshark VPN. So they need to improve their pricing for people looking for short-term plans. Total VPN, on the other hand, is just as good as Surfshark when it comes to being a newbie-friendly VPN. It's perfect for beginners, the interface is extremely easy to use, and it offers generally solid protection without overcomplicating things. The first year price is really affordable, which makes it a good choice for starter VPN. However, the long-term cost and feature set might not compete with more advanced providers like Surfshark VPN. But if you're looking for something simple, clean, and budget-friendly, it delivers exactly that. So here's the bottom line. If you want a VPN that does it a little bit of everything and does it all well, Surfshark is the more complete solution. It's fast, flexible, and future-proof. But if you're new to VPNs and don't want to spend much upfront and only need the basics, Total VPN is a strong way to get started. So if you're interested in trying either of them out, then don't forget that you can get a discount link by checking out the links in the description below. Surfshark is giving you 60% off and 3 free months. Or you could start with Total VPN's 80% off offer if only you want to try something simple and cheap. Or just scan the QR code on the right side of the screen, whichever is easier for you.